I was having an issue with my POCO X2 device. After getting an update of Android 11 MIUI 12.1.3 update, I wasn't able to connect to my screen mirroring, or you can say I wasn't able to use my screencasting device. Whenever I was trying to connect, it just says please retry. And I found that there is an issue with the application built in. You have to just update it. As you can see, there's two applications, one is cast and another is casting. I have just installed the latest version of this application. I have given the link in description. You can just download it and install. And after installing these two updated applications, I'm not facing any such issue again. Screencasting or screen mirroring feature is working fine. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.